Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to log out other devices on Instagram. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply tap open your Instagram app, and once you have opened it, you will end up in this kind of interface. Simply tap on your profile and then tap on the hamburger like icon on the top right hand side of the corner. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply scroll down below and you can find an option called log out of all accounts. However, this is not allowing you to get logged out from other devices as well. So to log out from every device, simply tap on account centers and tap on passwords and security or your profiles. Once you have gone to your password and security, you can find an option called where you are logged in. Simply tap on it and there you can find all the devices you have been logged in into. So now simply tap on that particular device and now simply tap on select devices to log out. So you need to simply select the devices you want to get logged out from, and once you have done this, you will be able to log out other devices on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.